Next up, we've got smart duration management, which is in other words, the automatic update of layouts in playlists. Whenever you make a change to a layout, the duration can be automatically updated in a playlist. Again, something that's come as a lot of feedback from our customer base. And this is a real big time save for the administrators here. Previously, you would have had to have known the duration of your content, known what content you were adding and removing from a layout, go back and forth in pages to understand what you've got in each of the layouts, and then come to the playlist page and update the duration, save it. If you made any changes, you have to repeat that process, both for images and for videos. So now all of that's handled automatically. You don't even have to think about it. You can simply go in, make a change to your content, and that will be reflected in your playlist. That could be anything from changing a video in a layout to a different video, or changing and adding or removing content from a folder play zone, for example. And of course, you might be thinking, well, what if I don't want the layout to automatically update? Well, we've added an option for that as well. So you can toggle that on and off. If you do want to manually correct the duration, or if you have a fixed duration, perhaps you've got a layout that you want to always run to exactly an hour, regardless of what content you've got in there, and you're happy with that content ending early or being cut short, that's absolutely fine. You can go in and make that change. So again, not too much to look at here, but we will go and take a brief look at how that looks in the system. So you can see here I've got a aptly named video duration layout that I've got set up here, running at 9 seconds 45 milliseconds. And if we come in and take a look at that content's playing a single layout video. Lovely little bit of QA there with a timer. And if we look at the option here, we've now got this tick box, which is by default toggled on. So that's going to automatically update that layout whenever we make a change. We can toggle that off and then come in and change this to a fixed duration if we prefer. For this demo, we'll leave that on. And if we go in and change this video now, we can see that time duration for the layout within the playlist will automatically be updated. So if I just grab a different video, I know it's got a different duration. We add that one in there, hit save on that. And if we head back to our playlist, we can see that that's now gone from being 9 seconds to 29 seconds. And again, you can just see that in the playlist view as well. You can see that that's automatically updated that playlist and taken care of everything for us. And just as a final demonstration here, we'll take a look at the folders as well. So we've got a folder playlist scheduled at the top here. It's running for 35 seconds at the moment. And if we come into that folder, our content system, and perhaps we just take a couple more of these images out. Let's move those to a different folder for now. That should have reduced our playlist duration for that layout that I know contains this folder. And there you go, we've dropped 10 seconds off of the total duration of that folder. So as simple as that, we're managing our content on screens and making sure that everything runs to its expected duration, and that will calculate to the total duration of the layout. So if you've got multiple videos in there for whatever reason, the longest duration will be where the automation happens.